people see a glowing rainbow in everything. And some people just see dust. A unicorn phone charger, bright sneakers, socks with wings, and a rainbow headphone decoration. Find out how to make your life more colorful in our new video. Our sad girl is feeling blue again. The world around her is so boring. Look, I have something for you. Try looking at the world through these rainbow lashes. Coat fake lashes with medical glue and apply multicolored glitter. What's that? Lashes? They look like they just came down from a rainbow. Let's see. Well, it's pretty good. My eyes look brighter and a little happier. Sis, it looks really good on you. Sometimes it's nice to make your point of view fresh and colorful. I changed my mind. This is way too much for me. A rainbow should be in the sky, not on my lashes. Well, well, well. I can win her over because unicorn life is awesome and fun. May the rainbow be with me. The sad girl is listening to her collection of sad ballads to make you sadder. And even her dough turns out kinda gloomy. What do we have here? AirPods? Whoops! Unicorns are very clumsy. What's going on here? Nothing! Everything is under control. Gosh! How am I supposed to cover this scratch the size of the Grand Canyon? The sad girl might feel even worse. I have an idea! A new case with rainbow rain will wash away all the scratches. Draw a cloud on a silicone headphone case. Cut it out with a utility knife. Glue on drop-shaped rhinestones. There you go! Now your headphones will be in a cozy cloud. Even the sad girl likes the new case. She loves rain and everything that goes with it. Thanks! My headphones died. There you go. Another reason to be sad. Aw, poor sad girl. Why be down and grumpy when you can ask a powerful unicorn for help? Wrap a portable charger in light clay. Shape a unicorn. Add a mane. Wrap a clay roll around a wire. Make a horn. Stick it into the unicorn's head. Add eyes and ears. Wait for the clay to harden and color the unicorn with acrylic paint. This unicorn will be happy to charge any gadget. It's full of energy, and it can share with your headphones. Great! The unicorn took care of business. Now our sad girl can listen to music. This time she chose some happy songs. These headphones are missing one little detail. A cute cloud with a rainbow. Look how beautiful it is! Cut 2 clouds out of white foam paper. Hot glue different shades of embroidery threads to the back. And add the other cloud on top. Attach a piece of a rubber band to the center so you can fasten headphones. Trim the threads. Make another cloud the same way. These accessories are exactly what your headphones need. What's with this rainbow demon? Are you back at it again? I'm sick of your rainbows. Decorating my headphones is way too much. This girl needs a rainbow intervention. My life is miserable. No rainbow can save me. Hang on, where did this come from? This t-shirt wasn't in my closet! Twist a white t-shirt to make a spiral starting from the center. Fasten it with rubber bands. Take rainbow shades of Batik paints. Fill a syringe with paint and apply a separate color to each section of the spiral. Cut the rubber bands and stretch out the t-shirt. A rainbow t-shirt actually looks nice. Mirror, mirror on the wall. What is this magic belt? And how did it get here? Attach 28-inch strings of sequins to the back of a belt. Use hot glue. Cover the front of the belt with a wide sequin ribbon. This is unicorn magic! With these rainbow clothes, your mood will definitely improve. You can't be sad when you are shining like a rainbow. Something went wrong. The sad girl is gloomy again. What happened? Did someone die? It's way worse. My boots chafed my soft feet. What a bummer. I can't have fun with an injury like this. Ouch! It's ruining my whole day. Should I call an ambulance? Calm down. I have a magical Bandaid with rainbow extract. It'll definitely help you heal your wounds. Attach printed stickers with unicorns and rainbows to a Bandaid. Decorate a box with a printed label and put in the colorful Band-Aids. Attach a bright unicorn to your wound, and your soft feet will heal very soon. And get these sad boots away. Your chafed feet need some color therapy. Where are they? They were somewhere around here. Just a little bit more. Ah! Here they are! My favorite rainbow sneakers! Paint the soles of high sneakers to create a rainbow. Put them on. With these sneakers, you will find out what it means to walk on a rainbow. Trust me, it feels very nice. But wait, there's more! Something is missing. Of course! You need the happiest socks to go with these sneakers. Take a look at these socks. They are about to take off. Attach decorative wings to colored socks. Use hot glue. How adorable! These socks can lift me up to cloud 9. Hey, unicorn! Don't you feel like these sneakers are missing the most important thing? I know! We need matching shoelaces! Coat white shoelaces with fabric paints. Create a rainbow. Make smooth transitions. Now my legs look like a rainbow. These sneakers, laces, and socks are awesome! Now I can't imagine my life without rainbows and unicorns! Aw, my bathtub doesn't live up to Instagram beauty standards. The water is so plain. There's nothing special here. There is no point in filling the bathtub with your tears, Kelly. I have a gift for you. These are rainbow bath bombs. Mix 5 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add 1 tablespoon of different coloring powders. Pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and knead it with your hands. Add 4 tablespoons of citric acid and thoroughly mix it. Fill a bath bomb mold with it. Compact it well, join the halves, press them, and twist. Let it solidify for 4 hours. Make different colors of bath bombs the same way. Whoa! This is gonna be a lot of fun! Let's make the water look like a rainbow. I'm bathing in a rainbow. Now I need a unicorn to complete the look. Did you like our unicorn clothes and accessories? Then comment below how you'd include rainbows in your style. Would you make bright sneakers with laces, fly away in your new socks, or decorate your headphones? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new rainbow ideas for unicorns from Troom.